In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to your Squarespace website. Whether you're running a personal blog or a professional business site, adding a table can help you display information in a clear and organized manner. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is the control center for your entire website, where you can modify current pages and add new content with ease. Make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and on the main editor page. Once you're in the editor, you're going to want to add a new block to your page. To do this, look for the option that says ADD block. It's typically easy to spot as it highlights spaces where you can add new content. By clicking this, you're opening up a range of possibilities for what you can insert into your page, from text and images to more intricate options like code sections. Next, you'll want to select the code option from the block choices. By choosing code, you're actually enabling yourself to insert custom HTML code into your page. This is an essential step since Squarespace doesn't have a dedicated table block. So, the code block is a powerful alternative that gives you the flexibility to add tables exactly how you want. After selecting the code option, you'll need to enter the edit mode. This will activate the area where you'll be able to type or paste your HTML content. In edit mode, you should see a blank canvas ready for you to input your custom code. It's a space where you have the creative freedom to bring external code elements into your website seamlessly. Now it's time to paste your table code. If you're not familiar with HTML, you might have prepared your code with a table generator or received it from someone else. Copy your table code and paste it directly into the code block within the editor. Take a moment to ensure that the code appears correctly and that the table structure is intact. If you find any discrepancies, now is the best time to make those small tweaks to get everything just right. Finally, once your table code is in and looks good, you're going to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located somewhere visible, and give it a click. Saving is crucial because it commits your new table to the page, making it live and viewable to your visitors. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have added a table to your Squarespace website, enhancing the way you present data in a clean and structured format. Feel free to explore the design options within Squarespace to further customize the look of your table to better fit your website's theme. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy website building.